Ever felt that tiny jolt of panic when you're about to tap your card, especially overseas, and you suddenly wonder, am I going to hit some weird spending limit I didn't know about? I mean, you're on vacation, or maybe you're handling crucial business transactions, and the last thing you need is a payment roadblock. That's exactly what we're diving into today, the nitty-gritty of YouTrip payment limits. YouTrip, for those who might be new, is that nifty multi-currency wallet and MasterCard that's been making waves, especially for travelers. It promises no pesky transaction fees and competitive exchange rates. But let's be real, even the best tools have their boundaries. And understanding those boundaries is crucial to avoid those awkward payment fails. So, let's get straight to it. What exactly are the YouTrip payment limits? Now, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. It's more like a breakdown, and we need to look at it from a few different angles. First up, let's talk about your wallet balance. YouTrip, like any digital wallet, has a maximum amount you can hold at any given time. This is your stored value limit. In most cases, this limit is set to a specific amount depending on your region and the regulatory requirements. It's important to check the precise amount in your app, as it can be subject to change. Next, we need to consider transaction limits. There are typically daily and annual spending limits. These limits are in place to safeguard your funds and prevent fraud. The daily spending limit is the maximum amount you can spend within a 24-hour period. This is the one that often catches people out when they're making larger purchases or withdrawing cash. Then, there's the annual spending limit, which is the total amount you can spend over a year. This is a broader limit and is less likely to be hit by casual users, but it's still important to be aware of, especially if you're a frequent traveler or handle substantial transactions. Now, let's touch upon ATM withdrawal limits. YouTrip allows you to withdraw cash at ATMs worldwide, but there are limits to how much you can take out at once and within a day. These limits are usually set by YouTrip and the ATM operator. So, if you're planning to rely heavily on cash withdrawals, it's worth checking both YouTrip's and the local ATM's specific limits. It's also crucial to understand that these limits can vary depending on your verification level. Generally, the more verified your account is, the higher your limits might be. This is a common practice in the financial world to ensure security and compliance. So, make sure your account is fully verified to maximize your spending potential. Another key point to consider is the currency exchange limits. While YouTrip offers competitive exchange rates, there might be limits on how much you can exchange within a certain period. This is usually to prevent market manipulation and ensure fair access to exchange services. To find the precise and up-to-date limits, the best place to look is your YouTrip app or the official YouTrip website. These limits can be updated periodically, and the app will always have the most current information. Remember, understanding these limits isn't about restricting your spending. It's about empowering you to manage your finances effectively and avoid any unexpected hiccups. Knowing your limits allows you to plan your spending, especially when traveling or making significant purchases. So, before you embark on your next adventure or make that big purchase, take a moment to check your YouTrip limits. It's a small step that can save you a lot of potential stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.